In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and I have only used a duplicated mesh circle with 3 vertices. I'll show you how the meshes were created from the beginning. This was the original base mesh, and I have used a skin modifier and an array modifier to thicken up the mesh and to duplicate. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Type R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. After adding the skin modifier, go to Edit Mode, and press Ctrl A to shrink the effect a bit. I'll use an empty object as an anchor for the array modifier. In object mode, press Ctrl A and reset all transforms. The basic idea is to duplicate the mesh, move it around, and applying a new material. I have used Eevee with bloom turned on. Please use a scaled sphere to block the environment light. Here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.